All right, so the next thing we're going to look at is how to find the rate if we have the new and the old number. Now, this is going to be a little different than what you've seen before because we're going to be looking at change. And change can be one of two things. It can be the new number minus the base number, or it can be the base number minus the new number. But in both cases, we know that you're just looking at the amount of change. And if we divide this by the base, we will get the rate, or the percentage. So let's go ahead and try this. Juma's monthly salary rose from, okay, this from is our base, to, this is my new number. What percentage increase did Juma receive? Find the final answer with 2 decimal points. In this case, we're going to look at the highest number minus the lowest number because all we're looking for is the amount of change between the two. So we're going to say 9250 minus 8,500 divided by my base number, 8,500. And let's do that in the calculator and see what we get. So 9250 minus 8,500 is 750. And we're going to divide that by 8,500. So we make that 750 divided by 8,500, and we get a really funky decimal, 0.088235, and it keeps going on. This is our rate as a decimal, but like we've learned previously, to make it into a percentage, we need to multiply this by 100. So we're going to do that now. And it comes out as a fraction. To change it, you hit the SD button, and we get 8.823%. It wants it out to 2 decimal places. This is a 3, so the 2 stays the same. So the answer is going to be 8.82%. Okay, let's look at another one, just so we can make sure that we have this down before moving on. This year, the price of a CD increased by 6 dirhams. So what it's saying is that this is already our change. We don't need to find the change from this point. We know last year the price was 48 dirhams, so this was our base number. What is the percent rate of increase? Okay, so 6 dirhams divided by 48, and we know, just like with the previous ones, we need to multiply by 100 to get the percentage. Okay, let's get out our calculator. 6 fraction bar 48. I'm going to move it over and multiply by 100. And I get a fraction. I hit the SD button to get 12.5%. Okay, last one. The noon temperature in Dubai on September 12th was 40 degrees Celsius. By 6 o'clock, okay, so that means that this is my base number because it was the original or starting number. By 6 o'clock, so later, the temperature had fallen by 8 degrees Celsius. Now, does that mean that it had fallen to? No, because it uses this word, by, just like here, this is our change. It's not the new amount, it's just the amount of difference. What was the percentage decrease in the temperature? Okay, so we're going to do 8 over 40. Now we have to multiply by 100 to make it into a percentage. And let's do that real quick on our calculator. Okay, 8 over 40 times 100. And it immediately gives us that the answer is 20%.